All right, y'all. So we got a new recipe. I saw it on social media, and we just gonna trust the process with this one. Okay, so you got you some chicken wings or chicken drumsticks, what have you, whatever. And we're gonna clean these first. We're gonna let these boil in some water first before we take the water of the chicken seriously, because we just need to clean them real quick. Okay, I had to do a quick thaw, and ew, see, ew, bro, see, you know what I'm talking about? You got to clean them first. Okay, so we're gonna put them in here and let them boil just for a little bit, and then we're gonna pour that water out and then pour fresh water in here to really get it to cooking. Okay, just bear with me. I saw it on social media like we all do, and we gonna give it a shot. Okay, here we go. Do that first. Okay, and this is why you need to boil the chicken first and then put the water in it, that you're going to cook the chicken with the boiling water in. Okay, because this is nasty. This is giving nasty. Ew. You don't want to eat that. You don't even want that soaked up into your chicken. So we're gonna dump this out in a couple minutes and then put fresh water in here. All right. Okay, and like I said, I'm not using this dirty ass water to cook the chicken in. So I'm gonna take the chicken out, as you should also do. Okay, and then we're gonna add fresh water in here and cook it from there. We're gonna use that water to do the sauce and everything. But like I said, I saw this on social media. We're gonna give it a shot. We're just not gonna do it the way they did it. We're gonna do it a cleaner way. Cause my chicken, I mean, it's from Costco. It is what it is. But like, it's I don't want to eat that. You know. I'm gonna take these out. Cause ouch. The impurities. See, look at that. Yuck. Yuck. Okay, we're back with the fresh water like I promised. Okay, no, but we're not gonna put that in there. All right. All right, so I'm gonna toss these back in here. Okay, we need 2. The recipe called for only 1 teaspoon of chili powder, but I feel like I got more chicken than he has, so we're gonna do 2. Mind you, this is only a half that I'm measuring, so we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 of pepper, 2 of salt. Well, let's do like 1.5 of salt, low key. I don't want to over salt it because we're using regular. You okay, baby? We're using regular soy sauce, not low sodium soy sauce. Okay. And we're gonna pour some of this soy sauce in here. And we just supposed to let this reduce. Okay. We'll be back. We'll be back. I'll debrief you when we get back. Okay. Okay, so we're starting to give it the benefit of the doubt. Uh-oh, screaming child. They're getting some color, which we love. We love that. Okay. We're reducing it. It's reducing a little bit. That's good. We're just gonna keep them rolling, literally, because we want the flavor, the reducing, to reduce into all of the wings. I know, baby. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me flip it a flip. Okie dokie, artichoke. Oh yeah. Okay, look. So all I've done so far is just let it reduce. I keep tossing the wings just so they get, you know, the whatever juice sauce is in, you know, in the seasonings in the chicken. But now it's almost clear. It's almost, you know, all reduced. So now we're gonna add some ketchup. It's supposed to be like 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Like I said, I'm doing mine a little bit bigger than the one I got the recipe from, simply because I think I got more chicken. But I also like more sauce. You feel me? And we're having rice, so if the sauce is good enough, we can just use it for the rice. You feel me? Will this fit? Let it fit. Thank you, Jesus. Dijon mustard. So that was ketchup, honey. This is some Dijon mustard. I mean, it's country mustard. We're going to see. I'm really trying to trust the process right now. I really am. But it's a little hard when you got these these random kitchen ingredients going in with some chicken. Oh wait, that smelly smell. Okay, I mean, it's not awful. Okay, so ketchup, honey, and then the kicker. The recipe said to use pomegranate jelly. I don't know what regular person has pomegranate jelly. We got strawberry. So we're going to use some strawberry in this mug, okay? It's like 2 tablespoons, okay? I mean 2 teaspoons. I'm just going to use 1 big heaping tablespoon, okay? Lord help us. All right, and then we're just going to mix this up. You feel me? We're supposed to add a little bit of water after we mix this up and then let it reduce some more, okay? Okay, it's giving a tangy barbecue sauce, for real, for real. It's giving a tangy barbecue sauce. I mean, it's looking good. I ain't gonna cat. That motherfucker look real good right now. Good God. Okay. Look at that. Trusting the process. No, we really do. The kicker is the taste. We gotta taste it to see what it's fixing to taste like. Okay. Because I feel like it might be a little too salty with the soy sauce. I feel like we need to add some water to reduce it a little bit. Or a little bit of brown sugar. Lord. Yeah, baby. Can you cook with me? I'm just about done cooking, love bug. You can help me fix the table, though. You want to help me plate the table a little bit? Huh? No? Okay, I'm sorry. We're just going to add a touch of brown sugar. Just a little bit. Okay? And just a splash of water. Okay, so I got a piece and I'm gonna try it.